Okay, this is a little walk around the Refuse tailgate tent, and I've got it on my Overland camper here so that I can get a little shelter when I'm outside cooking on the tailgate or loading gear and stuff from underneath the platform. So I don't really have a place, because of the way the roof is designed, I don't really have a place for a conventional type overland canopy, like a not a 360 canopy, but whatever it is, the 180s or 270 canopies. And the roof has to be really light because I got to push it up. So this is my first time ever rigging the blue tarp. I've got a couple of poles that are pretty nice, and I'm using a tie-down ring on my roof rack at the back, and in order to get something in the right position, I use a suction cup on the roof. And I got a couple of these really good suction cups, and they hold really well. So it's a pretty hot day. Nice to have the shade. I still have the diesel heater in the side there, and got to change that out for the air conditioner. But anyway, you can kind of see it won't give perfect rainproofing. It's I couldn't have mounted any kind of canopy on the back here because I've got the struts and the high center brake light, rear brake light, and but I think you see I have this silicone weather stripping here that kind of goes over the gap. Actually, I'm looking at it now, it seems to have departed. The lower half is kind of departed. But anyway, the idea is that the rain will go off to the sides, and I'll stay a little bit drier at least. So it's got this crossbar. What I found, if I tried to do the blue tarp off the back, is that it would sag in the center and not really drain. So you have to have these fiberglass poles to try and create a convex shape to shed water. I put some clips, these aluminum clips with 3M high strength bond tape, double-sided tape, and that's working good, and clipping to the bracing for the sides of the bed there. And it takes about 10 minutes to set up. It's got this rear panel that can also attach to the sides pretty well. You just got to use an extra stake because there's no pole in the center. And I don't know what else I can say about it, except that it just gives me a little more shelter without adding a lot of weight. The tent itself only weighs about 7 or 8 pounds, and it folds up into a nice little package. And hopefully you've watched the part where I'm showing how I put it together. So that's basically it. Refuse is the name of the company that makes the tent, and it's not like super strong, but I think it was not expensive. Certainly not hundreds and hundreds of dollars like most of those tents for canopies that are attached to the RVs. So it's worth taking a look at. I think it's going to work for me really well. Anyway, thank you for watching.